I wanna make love to y'all, the gang my wife. As you hold my pipe like a lady that's tough. Get me so hard, my meat look buff. Now fucking a bitch I met at the club. Baller flow like an Egyptian pharaoh. Fat cat can be found in the holy temple. Like Rakim Allah, I laugh cause I got passion on my left. I had babe with piercings. I'm real laugh in person like Karen Fisher. Posing for the picture, wanna fuck a star, but I don't want her. Read my Bible, do my chores, trying to achieve my goals. Go shot, but I don't boast. Come home with bags so heavy I drop the old white marble, old white bed I make love on. Made by men, correct me and I'ma get rich. Made all kinds of mistakes like twisted metal. Verse 38, this when you meet the eights. Like God's police, we agents with managers. Bandana make me look ancient. And red and blue like Spider-Man. Spider-Man, Spider-Man. I drive a Spider-Man. A rap superstar that always got women on the bed. It's work Silver Springs, I bet. Say I'm wet, sip more wet. I'm a poet, legendary, far from ordinary, far-fetched. Born January with a crown on my head. Pussy on my mind, but also love money. M9, running like a president, block after block. I let my pistol off like a bus. Sip crystal, then I get off. My car look like hot steel, red like a sword. I wanna make millions, that's my word. Hat backwards in the hand of the potter. I got girls, I got a roster. America's most wanted. Peace, God. Fat cat. I'm in the building. Hood G. My nigga G. My nigga Nut. My nigga Dub and my nigga Warren. My nigga Jock.